Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, house of commotion, preaching practical solutions. A Fuji house of promotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practice. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, Atikonko. What differences?
I know something.
So this is your place?
Oh yes, Chief. Thank you very much for the ride. I really appreciate it.
Well, if you know you really appreciate it, then we must see again.
That won't be a problem, Chief. Here's my card.
Thank you. All right then.
Chief, you've not given me your own card.
But don't worry, I will call you as soon as possible. Don't worry.
All right, Chief, if you say so.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice day. Go and see the front. Bero, you want me to be your driver? Come and sit in front. Amy, come to the front now. Come to the front now. So I will now be your driver. Oh, you want me to be your driver? Come to the front. Come to the front. No, don't tell me you have forgotten my voice so soon.
Who are you?
I am you. I am the man who just dropped you in front of your shop just now.
Chief. You sound so different on the phone.
It's me. Well, I just want to tell you that I arrived safely in the office.
Chief, can I call you back? I'm attending to a customer.
Okay. Write my number down so that I'm sure that you will truly call me back. What kind of phone are you using?
Chief, I'll call you as soon as I'm less busy, okay?
You want to disgrace me in the public, Abi? What kind of bad behavior is that? Imagine your behavior in the presence of the whole world, in the presence of a new customer. Pero, don't you know that we need new customers who will be supplying things to us cheaply. Look, if you are not careful, I will sack you from... Imagine your bad behavior. Nonsense speaking. Useless boy.
Hello?
Hello? This is T.A. Fuji and Sons. How may I help you?
Hello, Chief. It's Doshima.
Alright, it's you.
I just finished attending to this my usually tough customer.
Hey, how are you? Thank you, Daddy. I was just wondering. Your car is not finished by tomorrow. Can I pick you up from that spot where I picked it up? It is not a problem for me. It is my pleasure. Alright. We shall see. Thank you. It's alright. Just take care of yourself. Alright. Let's hope for the best. Thank you. Okay. Well, okay. Hey, you stop! Mind yourself. Mind yourself. I'm so
Jésù l'Olúwa. Jésù l'Olúwa.
I do your children or my children? I do your children or my children? This place is no good. So this place. Yes. Come in if you are good looking. Oh, yes, you are good looking. Come in. Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Very well, I must say.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. How are you? Well done. No, I was almost getting late for our appointment, so I had to rush out of the house.
That's good because I already made you breakfast.
Emike, what have I done to deserve that?
Chief, you won't understand. If you know how long I stood on that spot, waiting for a taxi before you gave me a ride, then you know what I mean.
Well, I always try to be a very good person.
Chief, you were God sent, and I appreciate what you did.
All this for me. You are going to spoil me.
Chief, this is nothing. There is more where this came from.
Indomie.
Indomie to you, Talia to me. Yes, Chief.
You will spoil me, sir. You will spoil me.
Let's start with this.
God, there's enjoyment in this life. What did you do?
You like it, don't you?
Yes.
Good. Sorry.
You
can see that.
Why you do that to cook so well?
Chief, how can you ask a mature woman like me how and where she learned to cook? Please.
I have to ask you, because me, I am a certified good cook.
Hey! Chief, you're not serious. But men don't necessarily have to be good cooks.
My own case is an exception.
Yeah.
If I cook for you, you will not want to eat anywhere else. There's one meat I saw the other one with
So Chief, when are you going to cook for me?
Very soon. Very, very soon, so you don't joke with my cooking ability.
When precisely, Chief?
Well, I will tell you. I'm going to have to tell you very soon.
Okay.
But I'm going to have to pray and fast about it.
You need to pray and fast over ordinary cooking.
So that enemies of progress don't disrupt the plan.
Chief, I don't understand.
No, don't try to. Don't try to. It is not your problem. It is my problem. It is my problem, and I'm the only one that can solve it. It is my cross, and I have to carry it myself.
Don't worry. Go on. Hope you're enjoying it.
No, you got Talia.
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 Yes.
I don't know. Talia.
Well, it's Talia to me.
Okay, no. Oh.
Yeah. 200 from 5 places I carry 200 naira.
But yeah.
200 naira. Go 200. 200. My money, pay me my money.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solutions, Fuji